according to the taste, but I like it a bit spicy and it is good for health. So minutes it's ready on the one side, and the other side is now cooking. Just make it a bit light brown in color so that it tastes good and it's enough for grilling part. Sandwiches are ready to be eaten. I've served it with Pepsi, and so it's the yummy, delicious, healthy grilled sandwich is now ready. And please do like my videos and share my videos with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.